In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to cart on Alibaba app. We'll walk through the exact taps you need along with a few helpful tips so you feel confident from search to cart. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your phone. Give it a second to load the home screen. A stable internet connection helps the images and product details appear quickly, so if things look slow, a quick refresh usually fixes it. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. It's usually centered along the upper edge and may show a magnifying glass icon. Tap into that bar to bring up your keyboard. This is your shortcut to the exact product you want without scrolling through categories. Type the name of the product you're looking for. Use clear, specific keywords like wireless keyboard and mouse rather than just keyboard. As you type, you may see suggestions. Those can speed things up. After you finish, hit search. On the results page, take a moment to scan the titles, photos, and key details like price ranges and minimum order quantities. If you'd like, you can refine the results using the filter options on the same screen to narrow by features or specifications, but only if it helps you find your match faster. When you spot a product that looks right, tap it to open the full product page. Here, you'll find a more complete description, photos, and specifications. Scroll to confirm it's the version you want. Many listings include variations such as color, size, or plug type. It's a good idea to review these options now, so you select the exact configuration you need. You can also check the minimum order quantity and the estimated price range to ensure it fits your plan. Once you're ready, look toward the lower left area of your screen for the Add to Cart button. On many listings, it's clearly labeled and easy to spot along the bottom bar. Tap Add to Cart. If the product has options, the app may prompt you to choose a variation and set a quantity before the button becomes active. Make your selections, then tap Add to Cart again to confirm. You should see a small confirmation on the screen, and the cart icon will often show an updated count. That means your item is saved and you can continue browsing or head to your cart whenever you're ready to review everything in one place. And that's it. Open the app, search, pick your product, then tap Add to Cart at the lower left. Simple, clear, and done.